At this point, we have now welded this link onto our client. I took a picture of it to make sure it was closed all the way, and it was. So now I want to hurry and polish it up real quick. There's just a smidgen of soot on there. It's really not dirty, but if we take this fiberglass brush and just quickly brush it right here, it'll help it shine just a little bit more and look a little bit better. I'm sorry if my finger's in the way right there. And remember, the whole time that you're doing this, just be talking to your client, helping her feel comfortable and happy. All right, with that welded on there, I'm going to cut off this link. Pull this off. And done. Ask her how she likes it. Do you like it?
I do.
Now more outside view here. We just went through, we polished it, we tugged on it, we spun it around, and everything looks good. The client is happy. Are you happy, Miss Client?
I'm very happy.
Perfect. I guess your name is Miss Andrea, not Miss Client. We'll call you Miss Client right now.
Okay, that's fine.
Perfect. Now is a perfect opportunity for you as the artist to promote yourself. Okay? You have a happy client in hand. You can ask for referrals. Make sure you give her some literature to take away, your business card, anything you can. Hey, would you like to come back with your family, with your friends, with your girlfriends, your next bachelorette party, your next bachelor party if you were a male? Is this cool? Do you like it? Things like this. Just help them feel comfortable, happy. But this is your chance right now. Promote yourself. Do not let her leave without some sort of literature, without an invitation, without a commitment to come back with her friends.